Hey guys, today I am so excited because my family is here in town. If you would have seen the previous video to this one, I had announced that some of my family, my Aunt Karen and my mom are in town from Pennsylvania. And today is our first Disney day. I am so excited. My mom, she hasn't been back here for about 6 years. My Aunt Karen hasn't been back for about 4 years. It's gonna be an amazing day, so come join us here at Magic Kingdom. You ladies excited for our girls' day?
Yes, we are. Yes, definitely. It's so fun. I'm so glad to have, my family's back.
We're so excited.
It's the first time for me in quite a few years.
Yes, quite a few years.
Very excited.
We gotta get on TRON.
Yeah, I haven't done TRON or Tiana's. Yep, so we gotta do both.
There we go. Do you have anything, like a favorite thing you're looking forward to, like back in Magic Kingdom? Like a classic ride or...
Classic ride.
Haunted Mansion.
Yeah, Haunted Mansion.
That's one of my, yes, those two I agree.
You have to do it.
Yes,
And
absolutely.
Oh,
Yep.
You know what? I take that back. The People Mover. I could
That's
sit
the
on
most
that and
important.
ride that all day long.
Yep, amen. Runs in the family. Oh yeah, I think I was right. We were doing Guess the Monorail color. Monorail Peach. I did it.
Peach, you're good at that.
Grease in the monorail. We just checked the wait times and they look really good.
Oh, great.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's going to be a really good day, I think. Yeah. We have made it into the Magic Kingdom. Yay! Festival of Fantasy just ended. I'm so excited to turn the corner and see the castle should be pretty much painted back to white since even the last time I was here. I think they've done more on the front spires. And it's always a special moment when you have people that aren't here all the time because it's seeing the castle. And oh my gosh, that's something about that. Look at that. It's like back to classic Cinderella Castle. I'm being here with my family. This just feels like an old school family vacation. Oh, that makes my heart very happy. I love that classic castle. Mom, do you see the castle? It's white. It's classic. Yeah, did you see? I feel like they're just about done.
Wow.
Oh.
I guess they're going to do those side buildings.
Yes, yeah.
Oh, I do like it better.
I know, I said being here with the family, this just feels like nostalgic. It's back to classic.
They would have it done.
You were hoping, yes, that it'd be like all ready for, they did this just for you guys, just in time. Oh, it looks so good. Why does it feel bigger? It looks bigger now for some reason. I love it. My heart is so happy we can get a picture in front of classic Cinderella Castle. Look, you can see there's like a few odd, like right in the middle there's like a patch of pink. But it's like back to normal. I think we're heading to Haunted Mansion first. That was only a 20-minute wait right now.
That might take the edge.
Haunted Mansion is still behind Scrim. I'm gonna be so curious to see if they're doing any little surprises or if it's just a regular upgrade, regular little maintenance. And I think they actually had kind of an extended queue out front because I think part of the typical queue is getting some work done to it as well, or it just can't be accessed because of whatever they're doing on the facade. Yeah, forget what I said. The outside queue is open, this extended part.
I'm going to go look at the clues behind the...
I know, we haven't done this in a while. I remember, I think it was this lady, right, that was the one behind all the
culprit or something.
she was the culprit. Because yeah, there's little like riddles and you can figure out who killed who of all the family members. And I remember that this one right here, apparently she had a matchstick in her bun. You can see it up there. So yeah, she was like, if you decipher all these things, it alludes to the fact that she was like the main culprit. I would like a Disney Plus series about these people. And up here's the bride's ring. If you look on this side, past the sailor's tomb, it is right over here. You see, it's down in the ground. Right, there's the ring in the cement. Oh, there was a cardinal. Let's see if he comes back.
Time has come. Step inside. Gather by the dying fire.
They got good air conditioning by the dying fire.
And strange frightening sounds. And your ghost. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Spirits are frightfully sensitive to bright lights.
Here's where they take our picture at the end here. This is the best scene, yeah. You always see something different. That's the good thing when you get stopped, you notice more stuff.
Please remain seated in your
Dune buggy. Let's see what ghost we get.
have selected you to fill our order and will honor.
Oh, we have Ezra. He's the tall ghost. We started the family day with a classic ride. Now we're having a classic snack. We're gonna get them some Mickey pretzels. Gotta get the Mickey pretzels and plastic cheese sauce, right, Mom? That's what you gotta do. A Disney staple. There we go, Auntie. Model it. We are making our way over to TRON because we saw in the app it went down to 40 minutes. So we're rushing over there. Hopefully it's still at 40 minutes. But yeah, the wait times have been like really good today. I don't want to speak too soon, but I feel like we lucked out with that. It still says 40, we're good. It still says 40. I can't believe this. Disney magic. Your first time on TRON, Nancy. I'm excited.
I'm so excited to try it.
Yes, I think you're really gonna like this. Let's see if I can get it when it comes out. So they launch from inside and then you come out and do this little loop around. Ooh, we're heading inside.
Users been warned. The Lightcycle run makes sharp turns with sudden drops and stops.
I told Aunt Karen, you gotta see the reveal. This is like a big moment. Hopefully it's timed up right.
Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of TRON.
That's cool, right? That's cool.
Welcome to the City Gates.
And now we're off. We are doing it. We just dropped the stuff at the lockers. It's almost time. Yeah. That took about 45 minutes. That's amazing. That's not bad. That's yay! And we got the back row.
He's got his shades on. He's ready.
Oh yeah, he's ready to rock and roll.
Ready.
Here we go! I'm so excited! Okay, I think that was a big hit.
That was a big hit. I would do that again right now.
Yes.
Yes.
Ah, yay, I'm so happy.
It's fun.
Like you just said, you'd be willing to wait for that.
Yeah, I would be willing to wait for that.
For that, yeah. I thought you would like that. We said Kyle and Katie would love that. Kyle and Katie and Jacob, they need to get here. They would love that. Now we're gonna go meet up with the rest of the ladies. They were riding People Mover. They were gonna try to see if they could see us. I don't know if they made it up, but let's go find them.
That was fun. Yes, I said I would be fine again for that one. Okay, how's it compared to 30 minutes or whatever?
I mean, it was good. I mean, compared to some of the other one, I really like it.
There you go.
I know, they're so
That's the epic debate. Yeah, they're too different.
Really different.
I'm Guardians. I like Guardians more, yeah. I like Guardians still a bit more. I like the music. It's, yeah.
Music and everything. But this was really fun.
I love that new castle. We're calling it the new castle, but it is like just going back to OG castle. And it looks so good. Oh, you're so cute. Okay, all of us are gonna head over to Pirates now. It says it's a 15-minute wait, so we're gonna hit that next. We also on the list still we need to do Tiana's Bayou Adventure. That has to happen. Maybe Peter Pan, if it goes down, that could be good. We're just enjoying the day. We're getting all the things in today. This is what you gotta do. We think someone just got engaged, and we think it's the group. Somebody stopped and said, would you take a photo? And I took a photo of their group, and then it was like that same group, they were lingering for a bit there in the hub. And then we just heard this erupting of cheers, and I think somebody in their group just got engaged. I would have stayed and like took photos of the whole group. Well, that's so fun. Magical things in the Magic Kingdom today. Mom, how'd you and Mom like the People Mover?
We love the People Mover. We did it twice. It was very relaxing.
Nice. And now we're gonna go ride Pirates. Here's our picture. Smile. We're walking through the pirate gift shop. Shout out to Kyle, we're talking about you. This was what he wanted as a kid, right? It was always a sword.
His favorite shop.
Yeah. Aw. Get the little pirate sword.
He loves anything that had the skulls and the pirates.
Yeah. Well, I can remember when me and Kyle were kids and like an early, I think maybe Katie wasn't even born yet. It was like an early on family trip and like us just going through the queue and looking in at all the little things like where you can see down to the skeletons. Like, you know how you have those vivid memories of your childhood? Like I can remember that, yeah. We're off the ride. We're now gonna head to dinner. It's golden hour on the castle. It looks so good. That is stunning. We're gonna get a family photo up here in front of the castle. They have this photo pass spot that's right here, right by Sleepy Hollow. This is the best spot to get a picture because you don't have anybody in the background because the moat's right here, so you get perfect shot of the castle. And then we're gonna go to dinner at Columbia Harbor House. That is gonna be our, no, not Columbia Harbor House. Pinocchio's village house. It was some type of a house. It looks like a bird might be trying to make a nest inside this lamppost. We are off to dinner with the ladies.
Matthew.
I think we're gonna try to sit upstairs on the little balcony. They have that open.
In 3, I'm asking for piece
I mean, look at this view. If you can sit right up here, look out over Magic Kingdom. We're watching the sunset on the castle. It's absolutely beautiful. We just finished dinner and now Auntie and I are going over to ride Tiana's, which you have not done. This is gonna be a first.
It'll be a first.
In this version.
Yes.
You've done Splash Mountain.
Yes, so I will give the review after.
Oh yes, very exciting. You can hear them. There's Tiana's in the distance. And we're looking at all the construction walls for Piston Peak. And I think while we do this, Mom and Mum are gonna find a spot and watch Disney Starlight Parade. And that will be a first for them. Because I realized I don't think my mom's seen Starlight either. So all this is themed to your proper New Orleans, Louisiana. Isn't it cute? You got the jazz music playing.
Walking, marching, hiking.
So this is like Tiana's office for her restaurant. And up there they have a little bunny and a bear. And that is supposed to be like Brer Rabbit. And they used to have a little fox. They're missing the fox. There was a fox for like Brer Fox. He is missing at the moment. So that's the little Splash Mountain nod. I know, can we grab one of those beignets? Usually they pump the scent. You can smell like the honey. Here we go! We're in the front row! Oh no, not the big one. This is like, we're just gonna go around the outside scene. Yeah, there's a couple little ones before the big one. Yeah, we might see the parade going by. Look at the frogs. Oh yeah, I can see the parade coming down. We'll probably see it better once we get up here. That's gonna be us.
Hey y'all! Thanks for helping with the 6 o'clock party tonight. Louis, they're on their way.
Woo! Oh, that's splashed down. Oh gosh, we're gonna get wet. Stop now.
Calling all musicians! Man, it's hard to find a fan in the dark.
Oh yeah, look at the parade. You can see the nighttime parade. Mom and Mom are down there somewhere. Alright, here's our little drop. We'll see how wet we get on the little drop. Just that tiny thing. That wasn't even really a drop yet. It was just like a little splash down. Oh gosh! Ah! Oh, that's the residual, yeah. It's always the residual. No. They had maybe another, they had another alligator.
There are musicians out here and they are.
Yeah, they had an alligator in Splash Mountain.
They're the Disney. I would love for y'all to play my part.
The Bayou.
This railroad band can jam!
He's cute little bear. Now we're in the bayou.
I'm asking all of them to play at the party, but we've got to keep searching high and low.
How long can I go?
This is a little one. Yes. This is like a little down and up. I know, they make it very ominous. Woo! Ah! Oh, you feel that? Woo! That one does like a little down and up. The residual. It's never the first drop, it's the residual. Oh, Mama Odie's not working here either.
You enjoyed Daddy Tiny. Now let's get you back to the big old beautiful
Woo! I'll show you a lamping place. Splash Mountain. Here we go, Andy. Here we go. Look at that view. It's all in our faces. Oh, how beautiful. Look at the parade. We got to see it too. Hi. They waved to us. We're soaked. Oh my gosh. Just right in the face. I know. I actually think our bodies are pretty dry. It's all in the face. That's what happens when you're in the first row. It's so humid though. We'll dry off quick. Oh my gosh. And look, they have the little frogs. So cute. What's your favorite between this and Splash Mountain? They're similar, yeah. It's the same track.
And even the stuff.
Yeah.
I feel it's very similar. It's just
Similar vibe.
Right. Really.
Well, that was so much fun. Now we're meeting up with the family. They just finished watching the parade.
Your heart knows the way to where your
Have you ever seen a star sparkle like this before? Wish upon a star.
What did you think, Mom? Did you like it? Oh yeah.
We got to see some of the parade from the ride. That was awesome. That worked out. So now we're gonna meet up with the gang, and I think we're actually gonna head out of the park, but the night is not over. We're gonna go over to the Polynesian and watch the fireworks from the beach over there, and maybe get a Dole Whip as well. So that's gonna be our little evening adventure. Or a beverage. You go, Auntie,
Or a
yes.
beverage.
Or a beverage. If we need to specify an adult beverage. Oh, that would hit, yeah. That would hit right now. They got the Main Street bypass open. Oh, the Main Street vehicles are parked back there.
At least the white kids today understand it more than the ones in there.
And we pop out here on Main Street.
But to me, it was like swapping out one character for another character.
Yeah, Auntie said it's really not that different at the end of the day, Splash Mountain. We're gonna try to make the resort monorail. We probably won't get on this one, it'll probably be the next one. We're cutting it close. We're gonna see what resort we watch the fireworks from now based on where the monorail can get us. Because we got like 20 minutes till fireworks. We got monorail black. So yeah, we have 15 minutes. I think we're gonna get off at Contemporary. Oh, we're gonna be racing monorail orange. Yes, we're always yeah. This happened last time. We were always racing to get to fireworks.
Trying to squeeze in too much with the family.
Yeah.
It's either for Kyle or Kevin, depends on what else she finds on this trip. It could work for you. Or tricks in the bird too.
As you exit the train, please exit towards the back of the train.
Oh, this is interesting. It looks like the escalators are broken, so they're exiting us down this stairwell. Never had that happen here at Contemporary. It's kind of cool. This actually will take us right where we want to be, I think, on the observation deck. Oh yeah, look at this. Right where we need to be. So there's that observation deck right there at the Contemporary, but also I've heard a good spot to watch is here on the bridge between the Contemporary and Bay Lake Tower. It is windy over here, but look at this. We don't have anybody around us. It was kind of crowded down there. So I think we're gonna watch over here. And out in Bay Lake, they have the electrical water pageant. Okay, she should be getting ready to fly. All right, look at the top turret. There she goes.
Here she is.
Tinkerbell. Well, that was so fun. Now we are off to Polynesian. Did you enjoy seeing the fireworks?
Oh, I did. It's been a while since I've been here
At
this
night,
part
yeah.
at night to see fireworks, so that was nice. Nice park day.
Yes, it's been a perfect park day. We had all the big rides we wanted to see today. We forgot Dole Whip's closed at 10. It's 10:04. But Trader Sam's will be open, so we can go get a drink. When in doubt, go to Trader Sam's. Oh look, there's not many people sitting outside. This will be nice. over there. So we're looking at the drinks at Trader Sam's. I think we're both getting the spiky pineapple, which basically is going to be our Dole Whip. It's a spiked version though.
Aloha, my friend. How are we doing tonight? Are you the next guest?
Here we go. You can see all the dark rum on the bottom. How is it, Auntie?
It is good.
It's good. Cheers. We're gonna go for a little walk now around the Polynesian. Well, we have had such a fun day. Ending it at the Polynesian, I think that was the best decision. Just sitting there, relaxing poolside, getting to have a nice little cocktail. Highly recommend. Spiky pineapple, highly recommend.
Delicious.
That was so good.
I love Dole Whip.
Yep, you would love that. It's basically spiked Dole Whip. It was amazing, yes. But now we are gonna head back to the car. We have another fun-filled day tomorrow of Disney adventures, so we gotta go rest up. But thank you guys for watching. Make today magical, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye. Everybody say bye. Bye. Bye.